Hello guys, today I'm going to share the importance of sport and resistance level in the day trading profession, and believe me it's play a very important role on this profession. We should watch the price movement at any important location or at any important sport and resistance level, and we should make our strategy accordingly so that we can take the right decision at the right time. So this is Aisha motor chart, and this is chart for the 10th February. You can see that in the morning stocks. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. You can see that in the morning stock goes down and it nearly reach till CPR level. It's feeling resistance on this CPR level. This black line is representing CPR level. This red line is to 200-day simple moving average line, and this green line is 20-day simple moving average line, and this straight red line is spot line, and this straight green line is resistance line. So we will see that how stock react at any important location, at spot level, at resistance level, at 20-day simple moving average line, at 200-day simple moving average line. So you can see that stock is feeling resistance at this CPR level, reach on this point, but it's feel weakness, and then it goes down. Then again it move on the upside and feel, again it feel weakness at this 200-day simple moving average line. Then again it goes down, and again it's feel weakness at the CPR level, and you can see that after some time, after some consolidation, the stock break the CPR level, then again it reach on the upside, and then again it feel weakness at this resistance line. It touched the resistance line and it's gone to the downside. Then again it taking, now it's feeling weakness at resistance level. Now you can see that it's taking spot at this 200-day simple moving average line. So sometime it's taking spot at this important location, and sometimes it's feeling weakness at this important location. So whenever the stock reach at any important location, then we should watch the price movement, and then we should take our action. Now you can see that stock is moving on the upside, and then it reach nearly this resistance level, and again it feel weakness and it goes to the downside. It broke all the barriers, and then again it's going to the downside, and now you can see that it reach on this support level, and now it's taking support, this support line. So it's very important that we should see the price action at near any important location, at 20-day simple moving average line, 200-day simple moving average line, at spot level, at resistance level. And after seeing the price action, we should make our strategy. We should plan to take sale opportunity or buying opportunity with the help of this price movement only. So this is the power and resistance level. This is the power of important location. See very clearly, and then we should take our decision as per the requirement. Then only we can get the success in the stock market. So it's very important to look after the price movement at any important location. So through this video I want to share, and I want to give the practical example where we can say that stock is sometimes it's taking support at important location, and sometimes it's feeling resistance at important location. So this is all what I want to tell you, and I hope you learn something from this video, and this will help you to make your strategy. Thank you very, very much. If you like, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel, and you can share this video to your friend also. Thank you, guys.